Okay, hey guys, Paul here, and today we are gonna be talking about the nitty-gritty of video editing. Today we are unlocking the secrets to telling kick-ass stories through your edits. So grab your camera, grab your laptops, and let's start editing right now. So before we begin into the meat and potatoes, let me ask you this. Do you ever find yourself editing and it feels like something's missing? We've all been there, right? That's your story, screaming for attention. So today we are fixing that, turning your videos into cinematic adventures that leave your audience hitting replay. All right, so let's kick off with this first tip, numero uno. This is the beat of your story, the rhythm of your edit. Finding good music helps, but finding the right one, now that will make a huge amount of difference, trust me. Music is not just background noise, it's the heartbeat, the emotion of your video. Think of it like choosing the soundtrack of your life's epic movie. It's gotta be the right vibes, man. It's gotta be the right vibes. Fast cuts for hype, slow cuts for the feels. Remember that car chase scene in Mad Max? Every cut cranks up adrenaline. Your edit pace needs to be like a roller coaster. Know when to speed up and know when to slow things down and when to throw in the loop. Now, hold on. Forget the exposition. Let your visuals do the talking. Nolan did it with Inception. The spinning top, no words needed, right? Your story isn't a novel. It's a blockbuster movie. So show, don't tell, and watch your audience get hooked. We're getting real here. Ambient sounds, my friends. They're the unsung heroes. It isn't just about what you see, it's about what you hear as well. Close your eyes. Imagine a serene forest scene. Leaves rustling, birds chirping. That's the magic of natural sounds on your narrative. Now let's talk secret plots and twists. You want your audience on the edge of their seats, right? My way of doing that is to create intrigue and a reveal. How do I create intrigue? By showing a tight shot first, okay, like this. And once I have established the story that I am trying to tell, then I go wide and reveal everything. Every reveal reshapes the game. Master intrigue, keep them guessing, and drop jaw-dropping moments. It's the spice that keeps your audience hooked from beginning until the end. Boom! There you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and drop a comment. Which tip blew your mind? Keep telling those stories, keep editing like a boss, and remember, the only limit is your imagination. So learn, create, and share. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.